as I was putting these bookshelf speakers back, it hit me. I had a project I wanted to do, and that was restoring these old Bowers and Wilkins 603s. Now, I'm only a quarter of the way there, and I did get some new drivers some time ago, but the actual cabinet to these B&W 603s needed some attention. So I thought I might have a project to rehouse them. And the day I decided to start this project, it was 4 seasons in one day. The other thing was, getting to my shed wasn't going to be easy. I hadn't been out there in such a long time. It had literally been years. So I was going to find these speakers and finally start this project. That's what I was worried about. You redbacks there. Okay. Old hardwood timber. Fence palings. Camping gear. That's them. The B&W 603s, made in England, released in 2005. As I was deconstructing these speakers, I must admit I was really impressed of the build quality. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they were made in the UK. Now, when I go to rehouse them, I'm basically going to keep the same dimensions and I'm just going to give them a new look. I really do hope it works out, so watch this space. And if you come to my channel, thank you so much for the view. It really is appreciated. This is a passion of mine and I want to share it with you. So thank you for coming to the channel, and if you have subscribed, awesome. Thank you so much. I've really appreciated it. Anyway, As I've always said, enjoy your movies, enjoy your hi-fi and your music because it's all there to be enjoyed. And I'll see you next time.